Anytime now. Away they go. Speed Bullet from the outside. Winking Eye by Darrell. Moving up is Ano Post in the middle. And Gedi Jupiter Thunder. While Spiring is running at the tail of the field by about 7 or 8 lengths of the leader. Back to the leader, Speed Bullet by ahead, followed by Winking Eye by Darrell. Jupiter Thunder is running in third by some 5 lengths alongside Engedi. Ano Post and Inspiring passing the half-mile post. Winking Eye is now the leader. Speed Bullet, Engedi, Jupiter Thunder fighting in a fourth, third, and fourth position. Fifth position belongs to Ano Post by some 3 lengths, and Inspiring still running at the tail of the field. Rounding the far turn, Winking Eye by some 2 lengths. Speed Bullet and Getty rushing up from the outside, and Jupiter Thunder as the action swing towards the long nice stretch run with Winking Eye. And Getty is running on the outside. Jupiter Thunder, Speed Bullet, Inspiring also rushing up, and Getty is now the leader. Winking Eye by Darrell, and Inspiring and nearing the finish line. And Getty, number 3. Winking Eye, Inspiring, Jupiter Thunder, Speed Bullet, and Ano Post.